welcome back to the channel. So Cyrus and I are currently at the beach. We are in Baler to be exact. It was quite an adventure to get here, but I plan to make the most out of this short trip. It's been, I think, 5 years since I last went to Baler, so I'm really excited to explore. On today's agenda, guys, I really hope you watched my coffee with a cutie vlog because I am going to meet up with Elmo. He opened a coffee shop here in Baler, so of course I want to come and support. And also, guys, sadly, I can't swim or surf because on the way here, I got my period, #TMI. And also, I just want to share that the theme or my theme for this weekend for my outfits is going to be green and pink. So I'm wearing this one-piece swimsuit from H&M and this pink scarf from, I forgot the Instagram account. I will put it here. And of course, before we head out, I am going to apply my Baler sunblock. And anyway, before we start the video, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you're always notified when I have new videos like this. It's gonna be her first time to try sisig. I wanna see what you say about it. Good? You like it?
Yeah.
Guys, so I barely vlogged today, but then I realized it's because I haven't been to the beach in such a long time. Well, at least in the Philippines. So, I guess, enjoyed the day talaga. But anyway, here's Ida. It's her first trip together. You're from Malaysia, right?
Yeah, Malaysia.
Yeah, so she
to Philippines.
First time to the Philippines. How long have you been here?
1 month.
Oh, just 1 month? Oh my gosh. Okay. So right now, our agenda is to go to 7-Eleven because we need to buy water and coffee because the plan is to wake up at 5 AM tomorrow to surf. So, right.
One place, Doritos.
Yeah, the can I have the original?
Yes.
No. Yep.
Okay, let's go, let's go.
3, 2, 1. Arguing again, arguing about something so simple. Make it clear, tell me why you're running back to him. Feeling insecure.
Hey guys, so we woke up at 5 AM for the sunrise. And it's so worth it because we were able to take nice pictures. And right before dumami yung tao, at least nakashoot kami. And honestly, medyo surprising kasi it's only like around 6 something. But the beach is packed already. But I guess it's also because a lot of people want to surf. Ang ganda ng waves. I'll try to surf because it's only my second day. But anyway, later, I'll also meet up with Elmo again. Yesterday, I wanted to vlog with him. But I haven't seen him in 2 years. So, nag-catch up lang talaga kami. So, later, I told him I'm going to visit his cafe again. Ask him to make my coffee. And maybe I'll also interview Elmo. So, yeah, that's the plan for today. And I'll see you guys. Bye! Guys, this is what happens when you don't put on sunblock.
Oh my god.
So bad. Yeah, okay na. So remember I said I'm not gonna surf? I changed it to my rash guard. Ida also. So cute. So we're gonna try to surf. Wish us luck. Wish me luck and my instructor luck because he might
Another lazy afternoon. The clouds covered in gray. Third coffee of the day. Almost fell asleep on Zoom. I yawn at the display.
Coach! I did surf for 5 years. Okay ba?
Sobrang galing mo,
Ah,
madam.
thank you.
Parang di 5 years, parang nag-surf lang kahapon.
Pakiulit.
Parang ka nag-surf kahapon.
Okay, thanks,
Pero wala
Coach.
surf kahapon, di ba?
Wala.
Ngayon lang.
First day
galing.
kahapon eh. Thank
Galing mo,
you.
galing.
Bye.
Napagod lang talaga siya.
Super.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Thanks, Coach. Just finished surfing. I'm all freshened up na. And now I'm on my way to Elmo's Cafe for some coffee and then hang out. And maybe I'll do a quick Q&A with him. So yeah, see you guys in a bit. Over there.
Ma'am, here's your dirty horchata. Welcome to Cafe Cabana.
Thank you. So let's do a quick Q&A with Mo, but the twist is Cyrus will be the one to ask the questions.
Yeah.
I have no idea what he's going to ask.
My
Go.
very first time being a
Make it
host.
fast because he's
Hi.
busy.
No, not so.
So how long is this cafe already open?
This cafe has been open for about 2 months already.
2
So
months.
very new.
For the
Yeah.
first 2 weeks, we were just popping up on weekends to test the traffic. And then after we saw that there were a lot of people coming, we decided to
Yeah, actually, ang daming tao.
go.
Lots of people. Congrats.
Thank you.
Okay, next
Please
question.
come.
And how long you know Lisa already?
Lisa, no, we go way back,
College?
like 25 years. Lisa.
20.
Since college.
I don't know, but
Since college,
Ah.
so that was 2 years ago.
yeah. 2 years ago lang. Yeah.
Okay. So do you have crush on Lisa?
Of course,
Lisa?
of course.
Okay. Good answer.
So what about your feeling
Oh
now?
yeah, it's mutual.
Pretty blue jeans and me.
We call that MU here in the Philippines.
Okay.
Pawisan na.
So do you want to like introduce which one is your best seller in your cafe? What is your best seller?
Our best sellers are actually the simple ones, like the flat white and the iced caramel latte.
Oh yeah, I tried that yesterday. Super
It's really good. And the dirty horchata.
Oh, this one.
Mm.
It's actually rice milk with cinnamon bark and a shot of espresso.
What do you do like beside operate this cafe?
Here in Baler, that's all my partner and I do, my business partner and I do, but we have our own things going on aside from this.
He's also a pilot.
Yeah,
Ah.
I'm not current right now. I
Okay.
don't actively fly, but I still maintain my license. And I manage a few
It's
small
other
businesses.
businesses. Yeah.
But I love the beach, I love to surf.
So you do surfing?
Yeah, I love it.
Okay. Can you?
Yes, very single.
Ah.
Single I've been in the last 5 years.
So do you want to be in a relationship?
Is that a trick question? Depends.
He can't answer. He can't
Depends.
Depends. Okay. But
But I'm happy being single.
I'm just gonna end this vlog here and enjoy the rest of my stay here in Baler. But before I go, I just want to share that my hat is so cute. I will put a link in the description box below. I got it from Shopee. And yeah, I hope you like this Baler vlog. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!
On the